बच्चों, कैसे हो? तो आज हम पढ़ते हैं PYQs ऑफ रिलेशन एंड फंक्शन, मतलब प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस ऑफ रिलेशन एंड फंक्शन। इससे पहले मेरी एक वीडियो आई थी इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ रिलेशन एंड फंक्शन। अगर किसी ने वो वीडियो नहीं देखी है तो पहले जाके वो वीडियो देखो ताकि ये PYQs आपको अच्छे से समझ में आ जाए। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। तो सबसे पहले क्वेश्चन में हमें एक सेट ए दिया हुआ है। ए क्या है? वो नंबर का सेट है 3 से छोटों का, मतलब ए क्या है? सेट ऑफ 0 1 2। ओके। एंड बी इज अ सेट ऑफ नेचुरल नंबर इक्वल टू और ग्रेटर देन 2 एंड लेस देन 4। सो बी इज इक्वल्स टू 2, 3। And C is also given in roster form, so we can write as it is. C is equals to 3, 4. Okay. So how many elements will in A union B into C? ठीक है, समझ में आ गया? मतलब कितने एलिमेंट्स हैं ए यूनियन बी इंटू सी। सो हेयर ए यूनियन बी इज इक्वल टू 0, 1, 2, 3। ओके। सी, तो नाउ नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट इन कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट इज प्रोडक्ट नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट ऑफ फर्स्ट सेट multiply number of element of second set. तो C contains 2 elements and A union B contains 4 element. तो total number of element of Cartesian product of A union B into C is 8. Okay. Now let's proceed to the next two question. So our next question is, P is a given set in question, set of 1 to 3 and a relation on set P is given by all set, मतलब all set के और जो रिलेशन है वो है 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3 and 2, 3. तो now first we check that is the relation is reflexive. So the condition of reflexive relation is a element of A, so here 1, 1 is present, so it is a reflexive relation. So none of the above is not our answer, and not reflexive is not our answer. Next we check transitive. The condition of transitive relation is A, B is equals to A, B and B, C is present in a relation, then A, C is presented. So here 1, 2 and 1, 3 are present, so 2, 3 is also present, so it is a transitive. And option number 3 is also correct because transitive are these relation are the transitive, so option number 1 is our correct answer. So let's proceed on next question. The relation, मतलब जो रिलेशन है, मतलब एक बाप, मतलब एक पिता के बेटे, तो सेट बना लिया। लेट सेट इज A, B, C, D आर द सन्स ऑफ आ फादर। ठीक है, तो अब हमें ये चेक करना है कि ओनली रिफ्लेक्सिव क्या है, रिफ्लेक्सिव की क्या कंडीशन मैंने आपको बताई थी। A, A, here A is a son of a father and A is son of a father, मतलब ए भी उसी पिता का बेटा और ये वाला ए भी उसी पिता का बेटा, तो ये क्या होगी? रिफ्लेक्सिव भी होगी। नाउ वी चेक ट्रांजिटिव। व्हाट इज द कंडीशन ऑफ ट्रांजिटिव? तो कंडीशन ऑफ ट्रांजिटिव इज A, B if a comma b and b comma a is present in our b comma c is present in our set, then a comma c is present. So here we can say that a comma b and b comma c are all the father of daughter of son of same father, son of same father. So a and c is also son of same father, so it is transitive. And now we check symmetric condition of symmetric is says that a comma b if present in any set, then b comma a is present. So here a comma b are the son of one father and b comma a is also son of one father, so it is also symmetric. And when a relation is reflexive, transitive and symmetric both three, then it is called equivalence relation. So our correct answer is D. Okay. So our next question is, consider the following statement. Statement number first says that f(x) is equal to x cube, gy is equals to y cube, then मतलब तब f is equals to g. Okay, here when we put a value of x, then it became its cube, and when we put y at the place of as the value of x, then g makes its cube. So now here function f is make cube and function g is also make cube. So here in this question f is equal to g. So first statement is correct. So here only two no, neither one to no. So here identity function is not always bijection. There was a property in the identity function that identity function is always bijection, मतलब वन वन होगा ऑन टू फंक्शन दोनों होंगे, ठीक है. So this statement is wrong, so only one is correct, or the correct answer only one, option number A. Okay, so let's proceed on next question. So here A is a set of element x comma y, B is a set of element 2 comma 3 and C is a set of element 3 comma 4. Then what is the number of element in A into B union C? Here our option given is 2, 4, 6, 8. So first we find B union C. B union C is equals to 2, 3, 4. So number of element in Cartesian product is equal to number of element in one product first set and number of element into second set. So number of element in A is 2 and number of element in B union C is 3. So the total number of element in the Cartesian product of A into B union C is 6. So our answer is C. Our next question is, A is a relation on a set R, तो which one of the following is correct. मतलब A क्या है, एक रिलेशन है R की, तो सेट R की, तो कौन सा इनमें से कौन सा करेक्ट है. तो many students say that option number B is our correct answer, but no, A belongs to set R but not subset or equal set of R. Here A is a subset or equal set of Cartesian product of set R. So Cartesian product of set R with itself is R into R. So here A is a subset or equal set of R into R. So option number C is our correct option. Our next question is, A is a set of A, B, C, D and B is a set of X, Y, Z. So what is the number of element in Cartesian product? Here A contain 4 element and B contain 3 element. So number of product in Cartesian product is 4 into 3 is equals to 12. So number of Cartesian product of A and B is 12. Option number C is our correct answer. Okay, so our next question is what is the range of the function? एक फंक्शन दिया गया है और इसकी रेंज बतानी है। तो आपको ये बात देख के कुछ रिमेम्बर बताई, मैंने आपको पिछली वीडियो में बताया था कि ये क्या है, सिग्नम फंक्शन। और रेंज ऑफ सिग्नम फंक्शन इज -1, 0 और 1 व्हेन 0 इज इंक्लूडेड, बट हेयर 0 इज रिमूव्ड, सो रेंज ऑफ दिस फंक्शन इज -1 and 1. ओके, let's proceed on our next question. A is element of 1 and 2, sorry, A is a set of element 1 and 2, B is a set of 2 and 3, and C is a set of 3 and 4. Then what is the coordinately of A into B intersection A into C? Here first we find that A into B and A into C. A into B here 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 2 and 2, 3. Okay, and A into C is 1, 3, 1, 4. Here next element is 2, 3 and 2, 4. Here common elements in these two are 1, 3 and 2, 3. So here the intersection of A into B and A into C is 1, 3 and 2, 3. So here there are two elements present in intersection of A into B and A into C. So our correct answer is C. Okay. Our next question is A is a finite set having n element. Then the number of relationship which can be defined in A is, we study in our previous video that if a relation of one set is A into A, okay, and the relationship of the relations which can be defined in A, the formula of this question is 2 की power m into n. Here number of element is n, so n into n is n square. So our correct answer is 2n square. Okay, I hope you understand the whole video. Thanks for watching our video.